got me falling for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me for you, falling for you.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting and long overdue. I'm finally sharing my home office tour with you guys. If you didn't know, last year I moved into this space, which was the baby's nursery, so we switched rooms. I wanted more of the beige color that we have in this space, while the other space had more of like a white wall. In the last year, I've been curating and setting up my home office the way I like it. And even though there's some tweaks here and there, I think it is a very good space to now share with you guys. I'm so excited to share with you my home office tour, so let's get in. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator and small biz owner. And if you love anything desk, productivity, tech, lifestyle, this, more, any of it, make sure to subscribe because I do these videos all the time. And without further ado, let's get into my home office tour. Let's start off at the front of my home office, which has a little nook here, which has all my electronics, my cameras, my tech gears, stuff like that. Also charge all my stuff on this little corner shelf too. And I have this wall cabinet from IKEA, and I just have all the rest of my gadgets in here that I keep hidden with the ones I'm not using at the moment. Behind is the closet space, which I took all the doors and I created this little sanctuary area of all my keyboards. Mainly it's for storage, so I also have these storage boards on the bottom. I keep all my favorite knickknacks in here. I'm not going to show you what's inside. Then we have our cozy area where I just chill and hang out all the time. You can see the TV from here. I have this beautiful coffee table that lifts up so I can work if I want to, full of little gadgets and stuff like that, and my little analog bag. Mainly the space is for crafts and hobbies, journaling, and a little bit of TV time or video games if I want. Then I have my desk setup, which I'm not going to talk too much about because I have a whole separate video on that, which I'll link up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. But here's a little peek of how it looks currently. Behind my desk, I have this little journaling cart, which I kind of need to reorganize. Right now, it just houses some extra journaling supplies and my watercolor stuff. I probably want to change it up to fit all my current using items and maybe even put my analog bag stuff in there. And we have my little station here. It's my mini coffee station that I have. I have the Nespresso virtual up machine, and then I have my favorite matcha accessories on the side, and then underneath it's just a lot more storage for my random things. We have my newest addition here, my TV stand and TV. I recently got this not so long ago and I've been loving it. It's been fun to be able to play video games, watch some TV, just have music in the background if I need to. I have my Bose speakers, my Switch too, and also have this HDMI cord that I can switch different things if I need to. That's my little entertainment area, and then I have my workout set here from Tempo, and then on top of that I just have my kind of most used tech camera gear, so I just have that ready. And then last but not least, I have my really big light that I sometimes use. It is hung on the wall, and that is pretty much it for my home office tour. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'll make sure to also link my 2026 desk setup video for you up in cards and down below if you haven't checked out the video yet. And thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Close tongue tied, can't be feeling it, got me